How to cancel Amazon Prime membership. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Prime Video and then go ahead and open Amazon Prime. Now once you have opened, make sure that you are signed in with the account from where you want to cancel your membership. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the account and settings option you see there. Further, in the accounts and settings page, you will see the option for Prime membership. Here, go ahead and tap on the manage or cancel option you see there, and you will then be required to enter your email ID and password from the account that you want to cancel your membership. So go ahead and enter the username and the password and then tap on the sign in option. And once you are signed in, you will see a bunch of options. So tap on the manage membership option you see there and then go ahead and tap on the end membership option you see there. And in the confirmation that appears, go ahead and tap on the end membership option again. And with this, your membership will be canceled. So this was about how you can end your Amazon Prime membership. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.